Look at them. Oh my gosh. They're tired because they just walked 2 whole miles plus. And so did she. And I biked because I'm the smart one. Hey! Come say that to the camera. Is that what you call it?
I don't know.
No, that was just crude. That was crude. Look at this. Look at this old guy. He's tuckered. Both of them are tuckered. So tuckered. They're so tired, fool. But not these guys. They didn't get to go, so they just slept in their cage for a while. And this old guy's just laying there still. Oh my gosh, one in red and one in blue. Whoa. Oh my gosh. So that was cool. That's cool. That is so cool. So say goodbye to Ruby. Say bye, Ruby. Say bye, Ruby. Bye, Ruby. Now say bye, Wiener. Say bye, Wiener Rustis. Bye, Wiener Rustis. Wait, 1 more second. 3, 2, 1. Bye.